Everyone, this is Paige Marks, and I will be doing my Module 10 reflection over interactive technologies. And first off, I wanted to start by going over the first question, and it's what experiences have I had with any of these interactive technologies as a student or a teacher? And as a student, I remember in school actually using clickers at one point, and I thought they were really fun. I thought it was a great way for the class to be involved, for everyone to be participating. And also the website of Kahoot, I really, really enjoy it. And I've seen that as a student and also working in the school system now. A lot of teachers use this website in order to have interaction in the classroom, and you can go over any topic, and it just makes it really fun and exciting for the students. It's like kind of like a competition of what you know, and the kids really use that, and it gets them excited to be interacted with each other and to know the information. And which whiteboard and remote would I use? I really like smart boards. That's what we use in the elementary school that I work at. I think they're really easy to use and user friendly for the most part. And so I would pick the Smartboard MX and also the Smartboard MX Remote. And I think it's great it has a lot of interactive tools on it, and it has endless resources and creative ways to share materials to the students. And having a remote is awesome, being able to use the remote from your desk or, just not standing in front of the students at the board. Having a remote is a great tool to use as well. And also being able to, which app would I choose to use in my future classroom? I would definitely use Kahoot. I love that. I just think it's so fun in the classroom, and I've seen it with my personal experience that the students really do enjoy using Kahoot, and it's like a fun competition for them. It really sparks them to be involved, and anybody and everyone can be involved. You all have your own devices, your own account or whatever, and you can come up with your own name, and you get to express the information that you know, and it's whoever comes out on top. It's just really fun for the kids, and I know that they enjoy it, so I would definitely be using that. And then going on to the article about the clickers, what did I learn about the article, and what do I think about future use with clickers in the classroom? I learned a lot from this article. I learned that clickers have been used in college ages and also K through 12th grade, and they've done a lot of studies on like finding research on how it's helped participation and keeping attendance in school or in the classroom, but they haven't done a lot of research on the effectiveness of like the academic part of it. Like, is it actually helping the students to become smarter, to learn better? Is it a good system to be using within the classroom? And so yeah, that's just something that I learned that a lot of the research that they found is just participation wise, stuff like that, instead of is it really effective. And also something else that I found interesting was that it is mostly being used for the benefits of improving attention and participation and things like that, like really engaging. So, I mean, when you have a clicker and everyone is responsible for their own participation, it helps them to pay attention better. And so I think that is a great benefit, and I think I would consider using clickers in the future just for that reason. And I think being able to pay attention and participate in that way will help the students engage and be able to learn better that way. It just helps them to know that they're paying attention, and through that being able to get better test scores, get better learning skills in that way, if that makes sense. And so I do think that they are beneficial in a lot of ways because of that. even though the research isn't done, if they are effective in the learning aspect of it. I think that through the attention and the participation that they will be able to learn better.